Hello everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you one of your favorite topic, that is how to build kids vocabulary. I have already shared many videos on this topic, but once again, since you people keep asking that what is the best way to do this, I am here with a new idea. But before we dive into this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now to watch more videos like this, and also press the bell notification so you get the notification as soon as I upload my video. This video is equally beneficial for you if you are a teacher or parent. So stay tuned. So here is another idea for you with which you can help your kids to build their vocabulary. This is Kids Personal Dictionary. Now, if we just open a dictionary, so it has millions of words, right? And we are not supposed to teach all those words to kids. What we need to teach them are the words that are in their books. So rather than going to the dictionary or collecting the words from here and there, start collecting words from their storybooks, from their textbook, from their EVS, geography, science, whatever subject they are reading from those books. How you will do this? Check out this. These pages are available on my website. I'll be giving a link in the description box. This dictionary or this technique is suitable for the kids of age 5 plus. Okay, if they are 5 or 5 plus, you can use this dictionary for them or this technique for them. What they have to do, for example, if they get a word from a story that is marsh, okay, and they don't know the meaning of this word, what they have to do, rather than going to the dictionary and checking the meaning for this, you will ask them to infer the meaning of this word by looking at the context, by reading the lines that are written there, and if there are any pictures. If the book is age appropriate for a 5-year-old, the meaning of the word is mostly written in the line before the word or after it, right? So you need to ask your kids that read the line carefully and you will get the meaning of marsh. And if the direct meaning is not there, they do have some illustrations to describe the word, right? So believe me, in age appropriate storybooks, the words that are being used are according to the understanding level of kids. So they can infer the meaning and they can also get them through the illustrations. Now, for example, they have come across the word marsh. They infer the meaning that marsh is a wet place where we have water and grass. Okay, so they will write the meaning here, whatever they think. I'm not talking about the dictionary meaning, but by looking at the picture or getting the word through the text, they will write their own definition. And then they will draw it as well, because when they draw it, you are helping them to register the word in another way in their mind. Okay, similarly, whenever they get any unfamiliar word, they can just write it, write the definition, what they understand, and then can draw it. However, there can come some words that are just not making sense to them, so you can explain those words to them. Now, how it works, here is an example of my student. The age is 5.5, okay, and we were reading a storybook where we got the word marsh. This is how she inferred the meaning: a place where we have water and grass. Here we are not concerned about the spellings. You can see that E is not written here, but our main target is she inferring the meaning? Is she getting the meaning of the word by herself? Yes, she has got it. And then she drew it as well. When you just keep it a bit multisensory and a bit challenging, children will definitely like it more, right? Then in the same story, we had a word cud. Cud is a noun which means the food that cattle keep on. This was a word which was not clear from the text, so I explained it to her. But I thought that how would she draw the picture? But she drew it. She drew the cow, the intestine, and then she is kind of chewing it. So cud means that they swallow the grass and then get it back in their mouth like this. She has inferred the meaning. Then she wrote the word amble. It was a new word for her. Walking slowly. This is what she inferred. And this lady is walking slowly. You can see the body language of the girl. Okay. Now, we have the word bank of river. This is what she inferred. The land is near the bank of the river. This is what she wrote. And then she drew it. Tumble down, fall down. And then another word, refuse. I might not be able to draw refuse because obviously it's a verb how to draw it, but she did it. She first wrote the meaning to say no, and then she illustrated it with the help of a picture that the mother is giving a glass of milk or water to the girl, and the girl is saying no. And this is an illustration for refuse. Isn't it interesting? This is how you can get 50 pages of this template or 100 pages of this template, and you can fill one page a day or one page in a week, however it suits you. But remember, make reading a habit of your kid, because the more they read, the more they get used to of new words, and they will also start using them in their written and spoken English. I hope that you like this idea. If yes, so please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. You can get these pages from my website. The link is given in the description box. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.